Lesson 1. What is climate change? The key words for this lesson are climate change, global warming, sea level rise, and ocean acidification. The long-term weather conditions and patterns of a particular area is known as its climate. For instance, Sri Lanka's climate is tropical and typically has two seasons, the southwest and northeast monsoons. Historically, the climate of our planet has slowly changed over hundreds of thousands of years, but now it is changing faster than ever before due to human activities. Temperatures on land and in the ocean are increasing faster than ever before. As the air and the ocean warm up, it also has other impacts such as rising of sea levels, weather changes, and ocean acidification. In recent decades, climate change has accelerated the melting of the Earth's ice sheets, sea ice, and glaciers at an alarming rate. This is happening in the Arctic and the Antarctica, as well as in high mountain ranges such as the Himalayas. This creates a huge amount of additional fresh water entering the sea, raising the surface level of the world's oceans. Due to currents and the presence of land, sea levels are rising much faster in some places compared to others. This means it is not happening evenly across the planet. As the temperatures become warmer and more meltwater enters the oceans, the timing, speed, and course of winds and currents may change. This leads to unusual seasonal patterns, irregular monsoons, and more extreme weather events. Thus, storms and cyclones are becoming more intense or are changing track and reaching new areas. For example, in Sri Lanka, extreme rainfall events are now more likely to occur than before, resulting in catastrophic landslides and flooding. Extreme droughts are also becoming more common during the dry season. Climate change also causes ocean acidification, which is a change in the properties of ocean water that can be harmful to plants and animals. Scientists have found that oceans are becoming more acidic as seawater absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The higher acidity in seawater can break down the shells of animals like shellfish and crustaceans that live in the sea. It can also make it more difficult for them to build their shells. Ocean acidification can also slow down coral growth and weaken coral reefs. This is what climate change is in a nutshell. In future lessons, we will learn how humans are causing climate change, how it is affecting the oceans and marine life, and what we can do to minimize its impact.